Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hi mga besh! Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening sa inyo dyan. Today is Sunday. Ito pala, Arya, oh, this is the brush, Aryan. Kanina pa ako nagpanghanap ng brush, nasa sahig lang. Kailangan po ni Aryan. Kasi, we will go, dadalhin namin yung mga bata sa aquarium. Aquarium Cafe Chuchu. Kasi, Sunday today, so it's our family day. Come here. Tapos, we will make them play in the playground.
You will play in the playground?
Mm-hmm.
There's a playground?
No, not there, but we will go somewhere else. You remember the mall that we always go? You and Aryan.
You mean SM?
No, SM too much people, no parking, nothing. Aryan don't like
You
it.
mean Robinson?
Vista. It's called Vista.
Oh, wait,
Nice there, right?
Aquarium Cafe?
No, we will go first Aquarium Cafe. And then we will leave you to. Kasi na, doon kami kasi dapat magka-lunch na lang. Let's go na, ate. Yeah. Bye-bye na, Lolo. Lolo!
Lolo, let me.
We will go ahead. Why they left us? Daddy left us. Where Daddy go?
What's he doing?
No, they will make U-turn. Careful, ate.
Should I show it to you? Hi guys. Today we're going to Aquarium Cafe. But not the Ocean City. But we're not going to Ocean City. To the cafe called, the restaurant called Ocean City.
Picture Daddy, please. Make it stand. Andito na kami guys sa Aquarium Cafe. So, meron pa silang tiger. Pakita ko. Yeah, of course. You want only fried chicken, right? Andito na kami guys.
And also
Can I make your hair up? So you can... He loves fish too.
What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Other side up. Other one up. There. Over there.
Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere.
You like fish? It will come to you. See you. Hi, say hi.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but
because we came here. Nice place. Who's the best daddy? Who's the most handsome daddy? Who's the most fun daddy? Yeah. your pocket? It's your toy. It's your toy. Hello, boy.
Two hours later.
Hi guys, so ayan, tapos na kami kumain, nag-lunch na kami, and paglaruin muna namin yung mga bata since it's family day today. Laro muna sila. Punta muna kami sa park. Yes, please! I'm so excited. Hold ate hands. Hold ate, hold her hands. Hold his hands.
Later.
Really?
What is Arya doing? Arya!
They will both run. Finish na. Let's go home na. There is
Let's go
3:50.
home. Where's the slippers?
Slippers is the other side. Arya, can you take the other side? Let's go home.
You want the sun? How much?
Daddy, it's precious.
That's it.
Finish na sila, guys. May bit-bit ka agad siya, Beo. What is that? Oh, bit ka dyan, ha? Sus. Sus. Yeah. May popcorn ba yan, ma? Lalap.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, nakauwi na kami actually. At dito. Motor-motor lang sila. Ang sakit ng ano ko, ng balakang ko. Gusto namin, aray, ang sakit ng balakang ko. Sa ano to? Sa picture-picture, tsaka sa plancha-plancha. Let's buy you fish. No, Lydia, it's just in Plaza. We will buy you fish. You want fish? Say fish. 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 Say fish. Fish. Oh, let's go. Dali.
Oh, definitely. Let's ride the car.
No, there. Yeah. Ay, tayo na. Close na. Is it open? Yay. Guys, ano yung nabili ko guys? Oh. Ano siya, parang portable na iyan kay Aryan. Sobrang useful kay Aryan kasi palaihi ang batang ito. So, kada nasa sasakyan, perfect talaga siya. Sobrang galing. Tapos nalalak pa siya. Ay. Anyway, I cannot close. Let's go. There's a rat! Oh my gosh, what is that? Guys, so... What is that?
No.
Kala siya sang fish.
What is this?
Okay, so,
Super warm. Also, this is the pet?
I don't know. It's a pet now. Nagpapanik naman ng bata eh. No panic, no panic. I need to...
Hello, fish.
What do you want? Show me. Here, only daddy. Colorful, see. Nice. Guys, na yun si Aryan. Para mga tambay sa kanto na naglalakad. Kasi wala kaming parkingan. Daddy, wala kaming parkingan doon sa pupuntahan namin, bibilahan namin. So, wala kasi sila dito nung hinahanap namin na fish tsaka ng lalagyan. So, hanap kami ng ibang place. Habak, barber, barber.
One eternity later.
Bit niya kaagad. Bit niya guys yung chips niya. For home. Wait lang, daddy, still, daddy. Tsura yun. Yay! See? Ang tawag dito guys. Did you lock the door? Did you lock it? Tama na, hindi pang punaan ha. Okay lang na. Cute ng fish guys. Ang liliit! Come ha. Or you can put in the table na lang ng, no, para makita yan. Guys, pakainin ni Arya ng fish. Where's the white? Oh, where's the white?
Not too much. Not too much. Wait. See? You see? They're eating. Eating. See? You see? Eat. They make yum yum yum.
Give the white keeps on. Galit siya. Pati si Mami. Kasi naglalaro sila. Dati, can I have the fan? And also, can you open Arya's fan? No, sleeping time na. Tura niya guys, oh. Where is Arya?
Tuesday, Village, Arya.
Yeah. No, please. Thanks, Daddy. Thank you. Can you blow your nose, please? The wet wipes is there. Bring the wet wipes on your side. Nang aga siya nagising kanina, guys. Mga 5:30 or 6 gising na siya. Night-night na. See, you're sweating na. Tomorrow we will play with your fish. Daddy, you have a fish? Tsura niya.